beautiful old part of Montreal here. Today we're here in Quebec City in le Petit Champlain. Hi, my name is Marie-France Garon and this is Food Lovers Travel. Now, we travel the world and we have some amazing food adventures that we want to share with you. We are now in Canada in Mom's Kitchen. It's the time of the year where we have all our veggies, fresh veggies from the veggie garden. So we're making all recipes using those fresh vegetables and herbs and everything. But we've traveled throughout Canada, the US, through everywhere, Asia, Australia, Europe, everywhere. And then we love to share with you some of our experience with food on our travel. Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France. We are in the beautiful old part of Montreal here today. Beautiful sunny day. July is the month where you don't go wrong here in Montreal. The weather is always perfect. And just having a brunch here. I got a little omelette. It's just lovely presentation here. They cook it directly in the cast iron pan here with nice sun-dried tomato and spinach and some cheese. It's a lovely presentation, and so a beautiful day here in Montreal for having a look around. There's lots of little shops here, entertaining also. There's always a festival in Montreal during the summer. You have the Just for Laugh that everybody knows about around the world. It's on at the moment, and plus there's musicians everywhere, and so it's a lovely place to come and visit. Montreal, all part of Montreal here is just so lovely. So here we go. We're just going to have a nice little brunch and have a little tour after that. My name is Marie-France Garon. I'm a food expert. Hello and welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France. Today we're here in Quebec City in le Petit Champlain, and it's a beautiful summer day. It's July, and we stopped here at our favorite place, Le Lapin Sauté, and just for a little snack. We came for a coffee, but we were tempted, and so we have here a nice smoked salmon. And they put it, these are not noodles, this is a vegetable, we call it rave, I don't know what's the name in English. So this is really delicious and fresh. And we also ordered a little salad here, which is really beautiful. And I'm taking notes because I want to reproduce that at home. It came on a bed of red cabbage, and it had all the rest of the vegetable all mixed on top. We have edamame, we have some corn, and there's some sun-dried tomato, Also, there is some caramelized onion and the artichoke. So it was all mixed together and in a nice little fresh salad. I see a little bit of green onion here too in between. So it's just so delicious and fresh and lovely. So great idea for summer. Thank you. We'll be back again for some more. My name is Marie-France Garon and I'm a food expert. Hi, it's Marie-France here talking to you from Quebec City. It's the summer festival here, so it's really exciting. There's music everywhere, lots of artists on the street, little shops are all open, and we are here for 72 hours and we'll share with you lots of the excitement about the summer festival, the Festival d'été de Québec. Hi, it's Marie-France talking to you from the Summer Festival here in Quebec City. So it's called FEQ, Festival d'été de Québec. And this festival is 51 years of existence. So, but I thought I'd share this sign here behind me. It says that during the festival we will recycle the weight of 100 moose in recyclable materials. So it's something to be proud from the Quebecois here at the festival. Hello and welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France. I'm here in Quebec City today and we just find a nice little lunch to share, and it's always easy to go to a nice Lebanese place. They have fresh salad and normally they serve their meat in a roll, but we choose to just put it on the salad. It's nice and healthy and quick and very delicious. Hi, it's Marie-France. We're in Quebec City and I'm here with Sylvain, cabane à sucre de Lac-Beauport.
Yes.
Okay. So what are you doing here right now?
I do maple taffy. Maple taffy is maple syrup boiling at a high degree.
Yeah.
So when we put it on snow, that comes very sticky, a kind of taffy, kind of caramel. Okay,
Wow.
so we roll it on a lollipop stick, and this is so good.
Oh yeah. This is
So we're
really
here.
good.
We're here in the old Quebec, right outside the Chateau Frontenac. We meet people from everywhere in the world, so we can explain how we made maple syrup and talking about the sugar shack. Yeah.
So where are you based? Lac-Beauport?
In Lac-Beauport,
And
yes,
you're
we
open
have.
all year?
Yeah. We open all year. You can come here and eating the traditional meal who was served at the trappers. It's very big meal, but it's so good. A major part of the meal is homemade at l'Érablière. Yes.
Wow,
Yes.
lovely.
You have to reserve before.
Yes?
So yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Wow, that's nice. That looks amazing.
Yes.
So lots of people come here and it's their first time they try this, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the first time. Lots of European and Asian
Yes.
people never tasted before, so they love it. If you love sugar, Maple sugar is better than white sugar for
Oh,
sure.
yeah,
By the
of course.
taste and by properties too.
Oh, it's
so
beautiful.
yes.
Yeah. How do you find the snow like this in July? We make it.
We have a snow machine. Yes.
Ah, snow
yes.
machine.
Yeah, because we making traditional meal for all the year long, and the maple taffy is a part of the traditional meal. So it's when you come at the Sugar Shack at l'Érablière at Lac Beauport, you get two desserts. The first will be the pancakes with the maple syrup, and right after this you come outside and we serve you the maple taffy on the snow.
Beautiful. We'll
Yes.
be coming soon.
Very, I hope so, hope so. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Santa Lucia. Beautiful. So how long you been playing? Many years.
Many.
Oh.
I believe my home is here. This is street.
Your home is here?
Yes.
Really?
35 here. When look at the yellow window, my home.
35.
Yeah.
How long you
The
been?
red door, 35.
The red door?
is my home.
So you're from Chile?
Yes.
David Ogaldi.
Yes.
I'll say it properly.
Ogal, David Ogalde.
Ogaldi. Oh. Hey. And so how long you been living here?
Here 25 years here in this area.
And you always play here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. You don't play in the winter?
No, I live
Cannot.
in Chile.
Oh, you go back to
I
Chile?
play in Chile
Ah.
because in Chile it's summer.
Of course. I'm talking to you today from l'île d'Orléans. It's an island of 33 kilometers in length, and it's 5 kilometers outside of Quebec City. And this place is known for its produce. There's a lot of grocer here, and they produce all the good product all summer. So it's sort of the beginning now. They have lots of strawberries for sale here. Today we stopped at a place where they have apple, and they make cider, and they make so many produce from the apple. It's just you can't think of all of the things they do. It's amazing. But so this place, there's one traffic light. It's a very peaceful place. It's a place also where people come and they bring their bikes and they bike around the island, because it's just lovely scenery everywhere. It's just amazing to see. So it's a lovely place to visit, and today is just a nice summer day. It's not cold, not hot, it's just comfortable, and it's a perfect day to visit l'île d'Orléans, just outside Quebec. Hello and welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lover. This is Marie-France Garon, and we are here in the old part of Quebec City. This is called Petit Champlain. This is the oldest street in North America, and it was founded in 1608 by Samuel de Champlain. So this is a place where we love to visit when we come to Quebec. This is our favorite place really in Quebec. We come here all the time to visit and have a look. But this restaurant is also special. It's called Le Lapin Sauté. And I want to say to you today is about when we're like us, we try to eat healthy and be careful of our diet. And what do you do when you travel as much as we do? What do you do when you eat out all the time? So we have a choice, because on the menu there's always something healthy that we can choose. So you have a choice what you order, what you put in your mouth, and you can always ask for the special. Stay tuned for more Food Lovers Travel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. beautiful, all part of the